I'm Mark Schultz, and I'm in OEM product development here at SR Instruments. And to me, one of the strong points of this company is our ability to have complete control over our process. Well, the manufacturing process really starts back in engineering. At the completion of the prototype phase, or what we would call our first article phase, where we've locked down the design of the product and decided that it's going to become a SR product. It goes back into engineering, and the entire production setup is engineered through the bills of materials and the workflow process and all of the things that go into a new product. From that point, it goes out onto the shop floor and we start building, whether it be the steel coming in the door, going through the saws, going through the machine shop, over towards our assembly areas where we assemble everything, and then on to finished calibration, where we run it through the calibration tests and the final software verification. Shipping, really everything is right here under one roof. A big value that SR has over a lot of other scale companies is we are capable of producing our own in-house load cells, which is very rare. And it does a couple things for us. It allows us to build specialized systems, and it also gives us great control on our product. We typically use steel load cells, which are tremendously more durable than their aluminum counterparts, and we control that process right through. From a testing and certification standpoint here at SR, we are an ISO 13485 company with medical device listing. That's our quality system, and then of course we calibrate all of our stuff to a NIST standard weights. Every product that leaves here leaves with a digital cal sheet and is kept on record here at SR Instruments. Here at SR, we try to cover the entire spectrum of scales, from pediatrics to geriatrics to bariatrics, and also from ambulatory to semi-ambulatory to non-ambulatory patients. We can take care of an infant on a pediatric scale, or we can weigh an entire bed with a bariatric patient in it for long-term patient monitoring. When a hospital calls SR, we're able to point to scales that we've had in service for nearly 40 years. And we do that through our robust designs in the first place, and also our excellent technical service that we have right here in Tonawanda, New York. SR Instruments developed a line of veterinary products several years ago, and it's been a very good market for us. It was a market that was kind of underserved. With our ability to control our process and develop product, we've been able to listen to vets and develop a strong product for them. Several years ago, we had a request to develop a scale to weigh dolphins. One of the primary problems they were having with dolphins is they would hang them in slings to do veterinary care. And so the dolphins would associate that sling with veterinary care and flop around and cause a lot of injuries to trainers. So as a result, a trainer had an idea that the dolphins are able to beach themselves. Let's build a scale poolside. We'll train the dolphins to beach themselves. It'll actually be a reward program, and we'll cut back on injuries to trainers just trying to get our weights once a week. So we worked with the aquarium and we were able to build this scale. Once we had successfully completed the dolphin project, we eventually started selling that as a standard product, and that kind of spread out into sea lions and many other sea animals, but it also spread the word about our ability to design custom product. And pretty soon we were getting calls from zoos and aquariums all across the US and Canada, and really across the world, with other needs, whether it be polar bears or black bears or just about anything you would find in a zoo, elephants, rhinos. And we would start to build custom scales that would match their needs. And through those custom scales, we've started to build a really solid line of standard products to meet zoos' needs.